In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Netflix customer support. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to netflix.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your Netflix account. Make sure you use your own account details and log in normally so you can access the support options connected to your account. If you're already signed in, that's great. You can move straight to the next part. After you're on the Netflix homepage, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. This is an important step because many websites, including Netflix, place their support and company links in the footer area. Take your time and make sure you've reached the lowest section of the page before continuing. Once you're at the bottom, look for the Help Center link and click on it. This will take you to Netflix's support section where you can find troubleshooting articles, account help, and direct contact options. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until everything appears clearly before moving on. When the Help Center page opens, scroll down again to the bottom of that page. Just like on the main Netflix site, the direct contact options are placed lower down, so keep scrolling until you see the support choices available to you. At this point, you'll have two main ways to contact Netflix. If you want to speak with someone over the phone, click Call Us. Netflix will provide a phone number and, in some cases, a service code to help identify your account faster when you call. This can make the support process smoother, especially for account-specific issues. If you'd rather type instead of talk, click Start Live Chat. This opens a text-based support option where you can explain your issue directly to a Netflix support representative. Live chat can be especially useful if you want to keep a written record of the conversation, or if calling isn't convenient at the moment, and that's all there is to it. The key is simply logging into Netflix, going to the bottom of the homepage, opening the Help Center, scrolling to the bottom again, and then choosing either phone support or live chat based on what works best for you. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be able to reach Netflix support quickly and easily.